today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this. In fact, okay, I'm going to start and edit and show you how to do it. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is the footage. Okay, and let me just play it. Okay, so the only thing it's going to do is that you're going to read the time. So 1 second. So 1 second, then she'll just cut it. So you want to cut it, you just when you cut it, just wait and just cut this same place. Okay, and just go to here, right click, and go to the frame holder option. So when you go to there, just come to the in point and hold. Okay, so when you click it, you will see how it just work. So it's gonna freeze, and you're going to choose the cut tool, and you're going to cut it like this. So let me just play. Okay, so this is how you're going to see it, and then so you move to the effects control. You're gonna increase this and rotate it a little, and just push it to this level. Okay, and when you're done with that, come to here and reduce the saturation. So when you reduce the saturation, come to the side to the contrast and the highlights. Okay, so when I get this, come to the control, come to the controls, and just copy this grid we just made right now. Okay, and then you're going to push this one to any side we just want it to be, and just paste it on this one. Okay, I'll paste to this one, and I'm going to increase this. Okay, so make sure you're gonna zoom it to the level like this, and control plus V to paste it. Okay, and here too, we're going to rotate it and just push it, and Control J. Okay, so let me just delete this one and just increase this one, and come to this and move this around to the snake case. Okay, and Control V, and here too I'm going to zoom it to this side. Okay, and Control V. So you can just paste it and just work on that. And the highlights. Here, that's it. So she can have you seen it? So that's how it just works. So we are not done yet. And then you're going to spin here to around the side. So I just want to cut it. Okay, and right click and move to the speed, and move to the speed to 800, and then I'll hit OK. So then we push this one, and let's play and see. Have you seen how it just works? Okay, so here we're going to add the sound effects. So you can just download this. Okay, the Train Professional. The lights, like the film band, you can just download it. It's very powerful. Sorry. So let me just see where. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it from this side to this side. Okay, so when you're done with it, just delete this. Let's just keep the sound effects and then lights the banner to here. So I'm going to increase the lights band to this level, and then we're going to change it. Okay, we're going to change the blend mode to screen. How you saying it? So simple. So I just want video stars. So to work with something like this, you need to practice more, and this is so something easy for beginners. You can just go through and learn how the procedures work, and I'm going to drop more videos for you all to see. Okay, so it's not something hard. You need to just practice more and know what you're just doing. So guys, see you for the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If we need more videos like this, just hit the right side and you're going to get more. See you for the next video. Bye.